Alright guys, I'm back with another video today. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Honest Beauty. It's called the Cat Eye Kit. It's this one. It is a set that has their, I was reading online, award-winning mascara and their new eyeliner. I actually won this on a giveaway on Instagram from a fellow YouTuber, and she's very into clean beauty and kind of going with that movement of like less toxic makeup. And that's kind of like where I'm finding myself recently too. It is hard to give up conventional makeup, but I'm trying to find like that sweet spot in the middle. But anyways, I will link down her Instagram name and her channel. She's really, really sweet. I love like her aesthetic. Great personality. I don't know how to pronounce her name, so I don't want to say it because I'm probably going to butcher it, but I will definitely link it down. All right, so back to the review. I didn't open this up, which I should have because I'm not prepared. What else is new? I don't want to break the box either. Now we're talking. All right, so this comes with instructions, I think, or yes, instructions. Cat eye directions: draw the line, upper lash, extend to form a wing, brush applicator. Okay, so this is the new eyeliner. Whoops. Oh, ooh, this feels nice. This is what it looks like. I know it's backwards. Sorry. So you have the lash primer, which is like the peachy end, and then you have the mascara part. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Let me get in. So I don't know if this will work for me. I'm excited to try. I have seen like mixed reviews on this mascara. Now, I have problematic eyelashes in the sense that they are super, super straight and they hardly hold a curl. But if the mascara formula is lightweight, there's a chance that it'll hold it. I usually don't use primers. The only mascara primer that I do use is the Lash P-Mel. I made a video. It's a Korean brand. That lash primer is no joke. Like, no joke. Just gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk blush because there's a mirror in here. All right, so I've curled my eyelashes. I'm gonna take the primer part. Actually, no. Sorry, I'm gonna do the eyeliner first. Yeah, duh. I can't do eyeliner after mascara because that never works. Let me just see if I have to shake this. Let's see. It doesn't say to shake it. Yeah, okay, doesn't say to shake it, so I'm not gonna shake it. This is the eyeliner. It's in a white container. It's a black one. And I'm just gonna open it up. This is what it looks like. So let's just go for it. I'm gonna look down and start lining. The applicator is nice and stiff, which is good. That is super black. Wow. Oh, that's really nice. Oh my God. Okay. So the applicator part is very stiff and it creates a thin line, as you can see. And it's drying down matte. I've never had a matte eyeliner before, but this is really nice. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so not going this way. The tip is very flexible. Wow. Okay. I already have an opinion. Because I noticed something different with this eyeliner that I've never noticed with any other ones. So you saw I was I'm going like this. I don't think I dipped back in. I don't think I dipped back in, but anyway, I'm going like this, and then I went to kind of go this way. And I feel like with most eyeliners, by the time you go like this, and I was working on it for some time, it starts to dry and it starts to drag, and this did not do that. That's super crazy impressive. So I just wanted to say that. All right. Let me do the other eye. I may fast forward it. I may cut into the finished look because I know this does take some time. So much lip. So it's hard to get it. So it's funny because once the eyeliner starts to kind of dry up, you could still work it on the eye. That's cool. All right, now let's do the mascara. Okay, now we do the primer. I'm going to take the primer part out. It's white. Looks like it's very long. It doesn't look like there's much product there, but we'll see. We'll see how it works. Damn it. I think I got some of the eyeliner on my eyelashes when I was lining, and it gets your eyelashes pretty black and stiff. All right, let's see. So now I'm working the primer into my lashes. Seems to it definitely looks like it's fluffing up my eyelashes, which is cool. Yeah, that's all right. So yeah, it's definitely fluffing up the eyelashes, and kind of pulling them up. You can see like it kind of went like that. I'm like dropping everything. I have no room here because I didn't clean up. All right, let's go with the mascara part on the other. Oh, okay. I thought that this one comes out this way. I thought it was gonna come out this way, but it comes out this way. Ooh, all right. So the wand is like this. It's like a cone shaped, and it's plastic bristles. Short bristles, which is interesting. All right, let's come in close. And I'm doing zigzag motions and pulling up the mascara. It's definitely coating my lashes nice and separating them. Wow. Whoa. Okay. That's very impressive. This is my first time actually using a Clean Beauty mascara. And I have to say, I am blown away. This is unbelievable. Like, between the eyeliner and the mascara, like, what? Was not expecting that. See, look, okay, this is my good one. This is my not done. Not done. My undone one. Actually, I need to use the mirror up close to do this properly. Switch hands. Yeah, definitely like work it in a zigzag motion. It's interesting how this primer coats the lashes, because it's not like, from what I'm seeing, it's not like those primers that like just turn it completely white or black or whatever. It just kind of starts to move and mold the lashes. You saw before my lashes were kind of going flat even though I curled them, and now they're standing up. See? That's super impressive. Yeah, wow. I like this kit a lot. I know the kit is available online. Definitely check it out. If you're not interested in the eyeliner, get the mascara. I'm so impressed because I struggle with my eyelashes. The only other mascara that like has worked for me really well is the Essence one, Essence Cosmetics one. And yes, it's definitely more affordable. It's not clean. It's not a clean beauty brand, but you know, this is impressive, super impressive, especially for a primer and a mascara. Yeah. I say if you're interested in it, if you're curious about it, absolutely check it out. The eyeliner is unbelievable. Like, look how black that is. And I've never used a matte eyeliner, and I really like this one. Wow. For somebody who doesn't wear eyeshadow every day, like the eyeliner was easy to use, super black. Even though it dried kind of quick, you could still play with it and kind of fix it, which most eyeliners, I feel like they dry so fast. So, wow. Check it out for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.